right, fourth try. This time I took this rubber thing off because I don't know. I can't get no coffee out of here. It does all this crap. I tried it with the pods. I tried it with the thing that came with it. Every time I get my coffee, it's just like water. This is what it does. So if you're going to buy one of these, I wouldn't. We had one before this one, and it was fine up until the end, and that's why I ordered a new one. I thought it was just worn out, but we just got this one, so it's doing the same thing as the one we threw out, but only in the beginning it's doing it instead of waiting a while. I just don't get it. It's like somebody returned this one and they sent this one to me. I don't know. Like, did you send back the one I had? No, we threw ours away. But still, there it goes. It's like water. It's not even coffee. Why? Shit. I've wasted 4 pods this morning. And you know how coffee is not cheap, so 4. Done this 4 times and I still can't get a cup of coffee. So I'm fixing to boil me some water and get me a strainer and pour my coffee through it so I can have some coffee this morning before I lose my mind. Good grief. Oh, look how brown it is on the outside. Wow. But on the inside, it's not. Oh, and at the end, let's see what it does. Let me go ahead and stop it. Because at the end, it just, all the good, no. This one didn't do it. Usually at the end, all the good stuff comes out the brown. This one, yeah. Nothing. Look how clear that water is. But the other ones, when I done it at the end, it was brown. Here's all the mess. Look at that. Yay. Wonderful.
maker can open up and pop this out. It is actually made specifically for this maker, and scoop my own coffee up, pop it in, and now proceed to make my own coffee, which we're going to be doing right now. I find that, yes, I know there's been out there's lots of them that you make your own cups and put them in, but I feel like this one really works well. Yeah, so let's try this out. It's been on for a minute. It only took a few seconds to heat up. And then, yeah, we're gonna enjoy my first, we'll just do a 8 ounce to start. I think they're, yeah. Oh, and I do want to have it bold. So, perhaps see the light right out. There we go. The dark there. Let's see how this goes. Drip coffee. Wait, what's happening here? Okay, that's not good. Everything's secure. Why is it pouring out the top here? Uh-oh, we have an issue. This is not good. Okay, wonderful. First time you use some coffee in it, that's not good. That is not good at all. Luckily I had a protector here because this is a really nice wood table. But yeah, we're gonna have to look into that. What the heck's going on here?
Instapot coffee machine. Got it from Amazon. I'm about to send it back. It's not working properly. Sounds like it's about to blow up. And this is just running water through it. It does not push coffee through at all. Don't know if the pump's gone or what, but this is not working right.
So I'm posting this video so you can see how awful this Instant Pot Solo is. Bought it in May. There's plenty of water. That's it.
If the cup isn't seated right in the hole, the thing it punches that hole in comes down at an angle and makes a big wide slot.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it spills it out everywhere.
This is going on Amazon.
There we go. Flashy, flashy.
And then go around the side so they can see there's plenty of water in it.
Okay. Try and make. Okay, here you go. On. Kaput.
Is it weird that I'm so excited over the cutest coffee maker ever? Ever, ever, ever?